Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Happy Shake Emulator on your Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. To install Happy Shake Emulator, you need to go to your Play Store on Android mobile phone. Go to your Play Store and then you can go to this search bar and then you just need to search for Happy Emulator. Happy Shake Emulator. Just type in Happy Shake Emulator. Okay, and then this application will appear and you just need to click on this application, and this is the preview of this application guys, and you just need to click on install to install this application on your Android mobile phone. And now this application is being installed, and then we just need to wait until the installing process completed. We need to wait until 100%. And I think I need to pause this video and I'll be right back if the installation process has completed. Okay guys, and the application has been downloaded on my Android mobile phone, and now it's time to install this application. It's still installing. Okay, I'm just going to close it, and after the application has been installed, it will appear right here on my app screen. Okay, wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, now it's already installed and I'm going to open this application on my Android mobile phone. Okay guys, and this is how the application looks like. And then here you can download like game. You just need to click on this download icon if you want to install a game. You can go to the topics category and classification. Okay, these are the game you can install, and then you can change the language as well. I'm just gonna select English and click on confirm. Okay, and we can sort the game. I'm just going to select best. Okay, and then we can select the type of the game right here and select players. Okay, and if you want to search for a specific game, you just need to go to the search menu. Okay guys, and that's all the way to install Happy Shake Emulator on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.